Good morning, grade 1. How are you today? I hope that all of you fine. Today we will revise the same topic about what are some natural sources of the light. Who can remember anything about the light that we discussed in the last PowerPoint? Very good, boys and girls. So, we already mentioned that the sun is our main light sources in the day. But remember, we have any light in the dark? No, we don't have. And the sun is the natural sources of the light. After we discuss about the light sources, and we already mentioned that the sun is our light sources, the main light sources, and the sun is the natural light sources, we wanted to revise also what are some man-made sources of the light. Look around you and tell me, do you have any man-made light sources in your home? Very good. So we have the lamp, it's man-made sources of the light. And we said that we call the light sources that the human did artificial light. What we call? Artificial light. Can you repeat it? Artificial light. Thank you, grade 1. Sometimes we can ask ourselves, it's a light sources or no? And remember, we already explained about the moon and the mirror. Who can tell me, they are light sources or no? Very good, boys and girls. So they are not light sources. But usually in the night we can see that there is a light come from the moon. So how can I explain that? Very good. So the light from the moon, it's not a light sources. Light from the sun bounces off the moon and into our eyes. That's why we can see a light come from the moon. The same things it will be with the mirror. The light reflected by the mirror. But the moon and the mirror, they are light sources? No, both of them, they are not light sources. Now we will have a small quiz. Sources of the light quiz. Are you ready for that? I can hear you. Are you ready, grade 1? Very good. Now we will start. Now, can you see these pictures? Which of these they are a light sources? A mirror, B, the sun, C, a drinking glass.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Very good, grade 1. So our correct answer, it will be the sun. Very good, very good. Now we have another 3 pictures. And our question, which of these objects reflects light? A pillow, B, a cat, 3, a mirror.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Very good, grade 1. So our correct answer, it will be a mirror. Excellent. All of you boys and girls, very good. Again, we have another 3 pictures. Which of these they are man-made light sources? A or B or C? Again, very good girls and boys. Grade 1, perfect today. Everything is perfect. So our correct answer, it will be the light bulb. Now, we will open our activity book, page number 1 and 2. What the first thing we should write it up? I can't hear you. All the time we should write the date. Very good, boys and girls. So I will give you time now to open your book and write the date and ask your mother to write for you a very beautiful happy face on the date to discuss our question. We have here question number 1. It's written that we should look around our school. Now we wanted to remember our school. Inshallah, everything it will be good and we will back to school again. They wanted from us, name one light sources in each of these part of your school. Look the picture that you have it, that you have now the classroom. Can you mention for me one light sources it's there? Very good, grade 1. So you can write any of these options now. Ceiling lamp, overhead projector, or the sun. Write one of them. With a nice handwriting, please, and write on the line. Did you finish your writing? If you finish, continue with me now. If you're still writing, please stop the video and finish your writing first. If you finish, continue with me now. B. Can you see this picture? Who can tell me this place? Library, very good. Again, we wanted to write one light sources we can find it there. Now check your answer. If you have any of these answers, keep it, but be sure that the spelling is correct and with a nice handwriting. And leave a space also. All the time we should leave a finger space. Very good. If your answer it's not the same, please change it with these answers. Ceiling lamp, computer monitor, or the sun. Write any one of them with a nice handwriting. Now this picture it will be in the garden outside. Think. Now maybe we just have one option here to have the light sources. Which of the light sources I can see just outside during the day? Think and put your answer in your mind. Very good, grade 1. So we can write now the sun, the light sources that we can see in the garden. Please, all of you, write with a nice handwriting because I wanted to check all the book. Have a nice day.